Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we walk through how to add music to WhatsApp status. So let's dive right in. Open the Instagram app and switch to camera mode. Swipe right to access the camera screen you use for Instagram stories. Import your media. Don't capture something new within Instagram yet. Instead, tap the gallery icon in the bottom left corner. This lets you choose the photo or video from your phone's storage that you want to add music to. Look for the sticker icon at the top of the screen. It might be hidden behind a smiley face icon depending on your version. Tap it to reveal various stickers. Select the music sticker to add a soundtrack to your status. Find your perfect track. Browse the extensive song library offered by Instagram. You can find popular music categorized by mood, genre, or even search for a specific song title using the search bar at the top of the screen. Once you've chosen your music, personalize it further. Play around with trimming the music to match the length of your video or photo. Instagram allows you to adjust the starting point of the music by dragging the playback bar. When everything looks and sounds just right, save your creation to your phone's gallery by tapping the Save button in the top right corner. Now, you open your WhatsApp app on your mobile device, then tap on Updates from the bottom bar, then tap on Status, and then upload the saved video from the gallery. Now you contacts can listen to music within your status. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.